pretty cool perspective this morning that I thought I would share because it was a really good reminder for me, and maybe it will be a good reminder for you. We did not have the best morning. Like, honestly, it was a little rough. By the time the kids went to school, I was like frazzled. Wyatt was frazzled. Anyways, we had a child that was like, I want to do this. I want to do this. Can you help me with this? Can I do this? Can you buy me this? Can you just ask. And Wyatt turned to me and he was like, I wonder if this is how God feels. When all we do is ask, want, need, instead of, I'm grateful for this. I'm thankful for this. I'm so appreciative for this. He was like, I really hope that when I'm saying my prayers, I don't come across as this said child. Anyway, so as we're saying our prayers, let's remember to be a little bit more appreciative and thankful.